Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In last tutorial, we talked about slice method. So now let's talk about sum method in JavaScript. So yeah, what is sum method? Sum method in JavaScript is used to check if at least one element in an array satisfies a given condition. It iterates through the array and executes a callback function for each element until it finds an element that meets the condition. If such an element is found, some return true, otherwise it return false. So let's have a sample. So in our sum method. So let's have a numbers again, and then here we have array of number 3, sorry, 4, and 5. And then let's create another variable that hold our even numbers if has even number. So numbers then callback function. So we have a callback function parameter inside of our sum method. So the callback function takes three parameters: the current value, index, and array. It is invoked for each element in the array, and you can use it to define the condition you want to test. So here, let's use the number, then arrow function, and then we use the modulo operator. So to check if we have a even number. So number, then modulo operator, then 2 if equals to 0. Then let's console.log. Our has even number. Then check it. So as you can see here, it returned true. So in this example, the sum method is called the um, numbers array. Then the callback function check if any of the element in the array are even number by using the modulo. This one, the modulo operator. If an even number is found, the callback return true indicates that the condition is satisfied. As a result, the variable now has number is returning true here. So yeah, I hope I give you the example and explain to you how some method works. If you have further question, just comment below in our comment section. Thank you and bye bye.